Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded reviews. These speakers have been made for those who just simply need a pair of speakers for their computer. They do not need something loud or something to look flamboyant. What they do is bring extra volume and clarity to your computer's audio and fits on your desk very easily. They also look quite decent and they come with a power/volume dial which you can increase the volume and turn it off. They connect to your computer or any other device with a headphone jack. You can basically connect them to anything that has a headphone jack. They have a 2-inch speaker driver which presents you with clear sound. They do lack in the bass department. I picked up a pair of these for $36. If you expect bassy music coming from this and it's sounding really good from a $36 speaker, then I'm going to say that you need to spend a bit more to get that. These are ideal for your desktop or laptop and just sitting on your desk as speakers, just to give it a bit of sound. They do not offer any sound amplification. So in other words, it's a no frill, no thrills, everyday desktop/laptop speakers that just get the job done. If you need something to just play the sound on your computer, nothing fancy, and aren't looking to spend big, then these are for you. However, if you spend a bit more, you can get something that is a lot better. Thank you. Alright guys, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about my video in the comments, and if you want to support my work and you like to see more videos, please do subscribe and give me thumbs up. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks.